Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. Welcome to this channel. Yeah guys, in today's vlog we came out to walk around. I'm here with my husband, brother, wife. Promise, my namesake. So guys, we are just like walking around and I want to buy my gender review stuff today. So I'll be buying things for my gender review. I'll be doing my gender review soon. Finally, expect my gender review soon guys. So right now we have been although we have walked a lot and we rest a lot because I was tired. I needed to rest a little bit. So right now we just want to like walk around. Although we have bought some things here, we have bought some things in the store that we entered. So right now we are still walking around. I'll take you guys along with us, okay? Right now we have been walking guys. Like I said, we are walking around. So we are in a restaurant. We just want to like eat something before we continue our walking. So we already ordered for something. We are waiting for our order so that we can take something and continue with our walking. We are at home. We didn't come back early. We get home past, I think past 8 p.m. So right now we're in kitchen. We want to cook paella. She wants to cook paella. As for me, she's the one that wants to cook the paella. As for me, see guys, I'm tired. My legs, oh my god, my legs. So she wants to cook paella so that we can eat. These are some of the things we are using to cook the paella. I want to learn how to cook it. This is paella, Spanish traditional food. So these are some of the things, some of the ingredients we are using. This is chicken. This is minced seafood, and this is prawn. So that's it. See the caterer herself slicing slicing the ingredients. We are almost done cooking. This is the paella, Spanish traditional food. It looks like fried rice now but it's not fried rice, it's paella. We didn't use their rice to cook it. We use our short rice to prepare it. As you can see, it's looking so yummy, so delicious.
I've been out in New York City dreaming, wishing you were with me. Girl, you look so pretty going out tonight. I've been missing your smile.
Hi guys, welcome back again to this vlog. Guys, today is Sunday. Right now we are in a restaurant. Yeah, so we came out to eat. Not be there. Oh. No plates there. So guys, it's Sunday evening. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. right now, and we came out to eat. Yeah, we came out to eat in restaurant. So guys, hubby is coming. It's my wisdom. Can I hear what, please? It's my husband's brother's birthday today, so we just came out as family to eat at the restaurant. Yeah, that is Owen over there. Owen's playing. Look at Wisdom. Wisdom, can I hear what? Please. Can I hear what? So this is Wisdom. Yeah, right. We just got here anyway. Wisdom. Owen, sit down. We just got here anyway. Wisdom mom and my friend, they are going to take food. Yeah, take this. This is them. They are going to take food, so I'm just here with the kids. So after they finish taking food, I will go ahead and go and take mine. I like this rice. Wisdom. This rice is nice. Will you give me chicken? No. You said no? Yeah. You don't want to give me chicken? No. Why? Eh? No. Am I not your friend? No. I'm not your friend. Okay. So since you said we are not friends, no problem.
I've been out in New York City dreaming, wishing you were with me. Girl, you look so pretty going out tonight. I've been missing your smile. You should come and stay a while. Fly a couple miles, let's go out tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day. Yeah, you give me everything I need. Oh, anytime you need me there, I'll stay. I promise it's just you and me. I miss you more than I thought I could, yeah. Somehow I still knew that I would. I miss you more than I thought I should, yeah. Even though you told me I would. I've been out in Hollywood, said you'd call me, wish you would. I've been feeling pretty empty without you tonight. Kinda lonely, kinda down. Just don't wanna stick around. Clear your schedule, let's find something else to do tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day. Yeah, you give me everything I need. Oh, anytime you need me there, I'll stay. I promise it's just you and me.